Good morning, Kat Wilson here from beautiful Portland, Oregon in the autumn. The trees are turning, and even though I'm in a forest which has a lot of really green trees, there are little spatters of colors from different trees all over in other areas here. And it reminds me of how much change happens in the forest, in nature. When the season starts to get colder, we pull out our warm long sleeve shirts, we get our warmer vests and our warmer coats on, and we experience something different than we did before. And when I'm here and I'm thinking about change, I wonder how many of you have actually thought about your own life and the seasons of your change, and maybe, just maybe, there's something that you'd like to make a difference in. Well, my name is Kat, and I'd like to give you a thought of what you could do to make a change. The first thing that can make a difference is when you have intentions. And what is an intention? It's intending to do something and wanting something for a reason. Now, some people confuse intentions with goals, and a mentor of mine is Trevor Blake, the author of 3 Simple Steps. And he talks about goals as being steps to do something, which are great, but the intentions are the real reason. That's the energy that goes into what you want. So if you were to daydream for just a moment and imagine that you had an experience that was something you love, something you really, really love, and you had a great time and you'd want to do it again and again and again, and then write down a few words. I walked through the forest on a beautiful autumn day, and I enjoyed the experience of being in nature. I went for a visit to a place that I've always wanted to see, and I smelled the aromas of the place, like fresh food cooking in an exotic place. Maybe you went to Peru. Maybe you went to Machu Picchu. Maybe you went to Paris or Canada, or maybe you went to Mexico, or any of those beautiful, beautiful countries that are all around every place. Well, after you've envisioned it, write it all down, just as if you actually did it. And then fold it up, put it in a piece of paper, stick it in your back pocket, walk around with it for a day, just as if you just come back from this. Having intentions can sometimes provide the energy and the sense of being able to make it happen. When I'm working with people, whether I'm working with them in a sense of coaching or doing a guided visualization, I like to take people to the place that they like to go, with all the sensations of what they can see, what they can hear, what they can touch, and what they can smell, and what they can taste. And to bring that here into the heart, also into the mind, and follow through with their intuition. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm all bundled up, and I've got a wonderful forest that I just envisioned walking through. If you'd like to meet with me for a session, I'm very happy to meet with you online or in person. You can reach me through my website of www.apositiva.com, APOSITIVA.com, or if you're curious, check out some of the classes that we have. I hope you have a beautiful day. I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye-bye.